Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have a new subscription box unbox for you, and this one is the Pyjama Drama Box. So if you haven't heard of Pyjama Drama before, they're actually a bi-monthly subscription service. So in their boxes they have luxury pyjamas, like they are guaranteed across the boxes every month. They also have 3 or 4 other products inside, from like beauty products, skincare, socks, aromatherapy products, fragrances, and like so many more different things. You can also get little snacks and treats in it as well. So I'll quickly show you the box right now because it's really cute. So this is the box right here. So it is quite a big box, and it comes wrapped with this really pretty ribbon on it, and they have a sticker here which says the Pyjama Drama Box. So like I said, it is a bi-monthly subscription service, and I'll leave the details of how that works down below in the description box for you. So this box is the June box, and I have a code where you can get a free gift in your box. I will leave the code right here. It's just Jodie free, and that'll get you a cute little free product in your box. So the box sells for £25, and the products inside are usually valued up to £100. And like I said, you always get pyjamas every month, so I think it's really exciting. It's the first box, like first subscription box I've ever done where you get like a clothing piece. So I'm really excited about this box. And yeah, let's just jump into it. So I'm just going to untie this little ribbon here, and the box opens like so, and up the top here it tells you all about this month's edition. And here's a little quick overview of the products inside. Everything comes really nicely packed inside, and you get this little leaflet here which tells you all about the products that are inside, how they work, and also how much they're worth. So yeah. Oh my god guys, I think there's actually a flying dinosaur on my roof. Sounds like a pterodactyl, you know, those things from Jurassic Park. Like, it's banging and making a weird calling noise. Like, seriously, what is that? So this is a leaflet inside. It tells you all about the products and how much they're worth. And this month's edition we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products we get, and they're all full-size products which are great. And of course one of them is the pyjamas. Okay, so the first thing we get is this candle right here. This is the flamingo candle in the scent vanilla and ylang ylang. And it's a natural soy wax candle which has 40 hours burning time, and this is it right here, and it smells so nice. Like, it smells like a candle shop. Oh, it's really strong. I can't wait to burn this. It smells so nice. That thing is still going, like, seriously, what is going on? So it says here it's handmade or hand poured in the UK using natural soy wax. It has a creamy fragrance of sweet vanilla bean, enhanced with intense musk ylang ylang and hits of tonka and soft lily. So yeah, it's a really nice fresh scent, but it's a nice warming fresh scent, and yeah, just really gorgeous. I'm loving the scent of this. That's the first thing we get inside, and this is £8.50, and I am absolutely loving the scent of this. I think it's really cute. The packaging for it's really nice as well. It is a 1-wick burner on it, but yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Very excited to burn this. The next thing we get inside is this here from Comfort Zone. This is their Skin Perfect Face Mask, and this is a face mask for dehydrated and tired-looking skin, so it's going to add a lot more hydration into the skin. And it says made in biocellulose, derived from fermented coconut juice. It adheres perfectly to the contours of your face, and the mask is a 15-minute mask, and of course it's going to make your skin a lot more hydrated. So I'm very excited about this. I love doing face masks. I love especially hydrating face masks. They are my absolute favourite. They just feel amazing on the skin, and it retails for £12. I'm very excited to try this, and I love the packaging for it, really cute as well. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is this here from Beauty Laundry, and this has really cute packaging as well. I really like this. It's a micellar body wash. So I love micellar water in general. I absolutely love it for taking off my makeup at night. This obviously here is a body wash one, and I haven't tried a micellar body wash before. I don't know if it's similar to like the face ones in that, which I assume it probably will be. But yeah, they're great for taking off your makeup. You can go in obviously with like your other skincare stuff afterwards, but to just remove makeup from your face, micellar water is really good for it actually. But anyway, so I'm looking forward to this, and it says here developed for all skin types, and the key things about this, it says it has micelles to attract dirt and oil, floral complex of hibiscus and cherry blossom for a healthy looking skin. It's dermatologically approved, it's vegan and cruelty free. So yeah, I'm loving the sound of this already. I'm wanting to smell the scent of this. So it says hibiscus and cherry blossom. I love cherry blossom, so I'm really looking forward. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Oh, that smells so nice. Oh, that is really nice. Very, very fresh. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. That just, oh, it just smells so nice. Yeah, really nice. I'm happy with the scent of that. I love the packaging for this, really cute, and we have a pump action at the top here, which is great. So yeah, very excited to try this out. And let's see, this is worth where are we? This is worth £6. So yeah, really excited to try this. Now, next thing we get inside is this here from Skin Alchemist, and this is a cleansing oil. It's the Humble Warrior Complete Cleansing Oil. So this here helps to remove it's a detoxifying cleansing oil which helps to remove makeup and cleanses the pores, and it says to massage a few drops of this into your face and neck to stimulate circulation and also release environmental debris as well. So yeah, I am really looking forward to trying this out. I'm going to give it a little smell here. A really strong aromatherapy scent, which is really good for calming, relaxing and de-stressing the body and the mind. So I'm very excited to give this a go here, and this is worth £15. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is the thing that I'm most excited about, and it is the pyjamas. So these are the June edition pyjamas right here. So they come all nicely wrapped with like ribbon and everything on them. I've just opened them all up because I tried them on when I got the box. I was just so excited, and I'm loving that these fit me really well. So you can choose the size of pyjamas you like. So if they do sizes 8 to 20, which I think is really good, and this is the first box I have, and they feel really good pyjamas. You know, the quality of them feel really good, and the fit and everything of these are actually pretty decent as well. They're not too tight or anything like that, they are quite roomy. So of course this is just the first box I have, but so far I'm really impressed with the quality and the fit and everything, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, this is the June pyjamas right here, and these are the Sausage Dog Pyjamas by Foxbury. They have these cute ruffly frilly sleeves. I'll insert a little clip of me wearing them so you can see them a little bit better. But yeah, really cute little design on the sleeves there. So it is, they are, sorry, like a t-shirt, pyjama and bottoms, and these are the trousers here, so I'll kind of half them over a bit so you can see them better. Yeah, this is them here. They're pink polka dots, which I think are really cute, and they are cropped, and they have these little pink drawstring tie things where you can like pull them in tighter around your leg, which is really good. So yeah, they are lasticated, like they are lasticated right here. They have pockets in them as well on either side, if you can see. So that's why the pocket is right there. Real difficult to show you here. Yeah, I'm very happy about these. I just love the design of them. I think they're really pretty on. I love the little ruffly sleeves. It just adds something a little bit extra to the pyjamas. Yeah, so I really do love the pyjamas. I love the fit of them. They feel really good as well. They're 100% cotton, and they are worth £18, so really lovely luxurious pyjamas there. That is everything that's inside the Pyjama Drama box, and I think this is great. Like, I'm really happy about this subscription box. I think it is just so good. Like, I love the whole concept of it. There are so many things that you could actually get inside this box, you know, like candles, fragrances, socks, pyjamas, beauty products, aromatherapy, fragrance things. Like, yeah, I'm very excited to see what else is to come. So I've just put everything back inside, so let me just give you a quick overview of it all. Like, that's everything we get inside there. I'll put the total worth of the box just right here on the screen for you. But yeah, I think this is a really gorgeous box. I'm really excited about it. I would love to know what you think about the box and the products inside, and if you're going to be picking it up for yourself. And remember, if you do, then you can use my little code where you can get like a free gift in your first box. Again, it costs £25 and it is a bi-monthly service. I will leave the information to all that down below in the description box for you. I'll also leave a little link to the box and obviously the website so you can check it out a little bit more. Let me know what you think about the box, and if you'd like me to continue to do unboxings of the Pyjama Drama, I would really love to do more unboxings of this over the next few months. Like, I just love the whole concept of the pyjamas. Like, yeah, so far everything has been really nice and really cute in this box, so I would love to see what more is to come from them. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts and opinions and all that down below in the comment section. That is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!